Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca. Welcome. Today we're going to see what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We're located in DFW, and each week we look to see what is new on the trucks that come in twice a week. I go to several different stores. I combine all of the pictures into one video. So again, all of these things are not found at one store. They are a combination of several stores put together. So let's go shopping and see what's new. Apparel and accessories, there's lots of tote bags. They really didn't have a lot new as far as apparel this week. Lots of the tote bags that we've seen before, like the bikes that say life is a beautiful ride, the sweet and sarcastic chaos coordinator, a house is not a home without paw prints, squeeze the day, be humble and kind with the bumblebees, and shopping is my cardio. For arts and crafts this week, they had some new items like the restock first of the metallic floral that they had out this year for Christmas. They had a bunch of those restocked, but these came in pretty late in the season. And they've got a bunch of their pastel color flowers and things for springtime. Lots of carnations and roses, greenery, and even some baby's breath as we get closer to Valentine's Day. There's also the wood cutout pieces. There's the ornament hearts and a lot of the die cut wood pieces that look like roses, baseballs, soccer balls. They have basketballs and paw prints. There were a bunch of different gnomes. One is holding a mushroom, which is so cute. And then one of the finds that I found this week were these glass beads. You get 8 grams, so they're sold by weight, not by quantity. And they have all different colors of the rainbow. These are a purplish blue color. And as you can see, depending on the size of the bead will depend on how many you get in each packet. What I like about the beads is they are glass beads and they are layered. So some of the larger beads especially, you'll see that they have like a layer of like maybe white on top. So they've got some texture to them. And then some of them are just kind of multicolor. So you'll have these red beads here that have stripes in white. They'll have some like orange dots at the end of some of them. Then you've got the red and white stripes, or you'll just have your solid color beads in a bunch of different shapes. They have a yellow orange color, and then you get your brighter orange that they have some of those with the white kind of mixed throughout to give it a marble effect, and some stripes. You can see they get even darker orange as you kind of progress. So what's nice is that they don't just have like one shade in one style. There's lots of different styles and lots of different shades with multiple levels of color. Even in like the yellow and orange, they just go from very dark to very bright with all the different layers and shapes. So for glass beads, this is actually a pretty good buy, I would think, for $1.25. I've done jewelry making in the past, and the glass beads can be quite expensive. So make sure you guys look for those. They're going to be in a box sitting down on a shelf. They're not hanging them. They come in this like cardboard box that just says beads, and they might have several sitting down, and they tend to get buried. And I usually find them over by the glitter. So if you guys see the glitter sitting down on a shelf, that's usually about where I find them, at least at the stores we go to. Over in the health and beauty section, we'll look to see what's new for like our cosmetics, the hair care and hair accessory items, in the pharmacy and personal care style items. These travel cloths I'm in love with. You put water on them and they open up to a full-size washcloth. They have the nail corrector pens and the cuticle oil and strengthener. There's also the cuticle oil balm and the stick that they have out, and some cuticle oil by the Ioni brand. So Ioni had quite a bit of nail items out this week. They had the heart-shaped glitter. They had some prison shape, definitely, and lots of like Valentine's Day colors, lots of reds, dark pink. They had the purple, and then they've got the chrome powder also in the Valentine's Day colors, bright pinks and purples, lots of lace wraps. So the wraps you get, I think it's 14 per pack. They have different like bows and things like that. And then we've got the different manicure sets, which are just the nails that you can buy. It has the glue and everything. And you'll get, I believe it's 12 nails in each pack for the Ioni nails. We've got the Salon Perfect nails, a bunch of those I showed last week. You get about 30 in the pack there, so you get quite a bit. The claw clips, they have a ton of different claw clips out this week, the larger ones. with that zigzag pattern. They had some flowers, the smaller medium sizes, and then the really small ones where you'll get about 6 or 8 in a pack depending on which pack it is. Usually you get about 2 of each color. There's some Scunchie brand claw clips as well in the pastel colors. I've noticed as spring gets closer, now that Christmas is over, they've got a lot more of the pastel color hair accessories out. The same with the headbands, even the faux fur. You've got the light blue, the rose colored pink, and the off-white. Then I found more of this Soe double bubble cleanser. You get a 2-in-1 cleanser for like removing blackheads and things like that. There's the Be Pure warming and cooling face mask pack, or you can get these Villains bath bombs and bath dust, which I thought was fun. These are in a box, and you get there's 3 different products in the box, so make sure you check through the whole thing because there's some different items there. For fun finds, there really wasn't a whole lot new. They do have a bunch of their mini fairy garden items out. They're starting to put out all their little fairy garden trees. This is usually the time of year they really stock up on those, so I'll keep my eye out for more of those. For the home decor, we've got the picture holders. There's the family, home, and love. So they come in the dark gray, the white, and the wood. Also, they had more of the TikTok table decor and more of these picture frames with the gold trim and the faux leather white frame. Those were still some of the Christmas items that were left over. Also, these candle holders, which are always a favorite. They had those in the white and black. They had a bunch of those out. For the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, lots of these fun shaped puzzles for the little ones. They had the alphabet puzzle that's a round shape, has all the different letters for different animals. There's the space puzzles. There's 11 puzzles that are double-sided. They're 2 pieces. You'll put together the planet, and it has some picture on the back with some information. Also, the number puzzles. So like if it's the number 2, there might be like 2 cherries, and you get the number and the word on the puzzle. And then they have, of course, the shapes puzzles with like stars and ovals and things like that. And more of those reward punch cards. I'm finding a bunch of packs of those, and you get 30 in a packet. For the kitchen and pantry, lots of ceramic magnets. They have the rectangle ones that have a lot of the Bible verses and boho, definitely lots of floral. I'm always surprised how quickly these magnets sell out. They always are on those plastic strips. They hang down the aisle kind of by the picture frames, and they are replaced quite often. Like each and every week I go back, they have new ornaments or magnets in their place because they just sell out so quickly. But the ceramic ones are definitely the nicer ones that you can purchase for just $1.25. I love all the different animal ones that they have out also. Then there are these large wine glasses with the red bottom, which are so cute. These are perfect just in time for Valentine's Day. For the party supplies, they have just a bunch of candles out, restocked items. They have, of course, a lot of the pastels that look like balloons that say happy birthday, and you've got your heart and star and party hats, the different balloons. There's rainbows and shooting stars. And then, of course, they have their number candles, and it has 2 small star candles that come with it. Then for the pet care this week, they mostly had a bunch of the Fancy Feast snacks for the cats. There's the Nutty No Melt suet for the birds, and they had some new collars out also for the little ones. Then for the seasonal items, we'll first look and see what's new for Valentine's Day. A lot of these are restocks from last year, but they have the bead ribbon. There's like white, off-white, pink, dark pink, and red. And of course, they have this really pretty ribbon with the heart cut out and a bunch of different colors. There's the smaller ribbon with lots of different hearts, the XOXO pattern, and then you also have the wider, like 2-inch ribbon that has the wired edges. I found more mini tree toppers. They have the red glitter hearts and the pink heart tree toppers. They have these fun little candies to fill, and you can get those in either the red or in pink. There's the light pink. These would be cute even to turn into ornaments for a Christmas tree. We've got the LED lights. Those are battery operated. Now these are packs of cards. You get 8 gifts and 8 bags which is a great buy for $1.25. They have the fun little eyes. And then they had a bunch of these gnomes. They're about 10 inches tall for the $1.25 price point. Bunch of different hats and different outfits that they're wearing. They have the 3-pack of the fabric bags. They have the XOXO pattern. And those have the drawstring at the top. They also have the Happy Valentine's Day. They're 4 inches by 6 inches. You can see that has the pink writing with the pink drawstring. This is like a chandelier decoration. And some plastic wine glasses with the hearts, which I thought those were really pretty. This one's all clear with the heart on the stem. And then the decorative red one. These are all plastic. And here's what it looks like out of the box. Those are going to sell pretty quickly. They have some fun tulle skirts with the hearts on them. It says it's for adults. They have red and pink. Lots of different headbands, the novelty glasses, and the fun little Valentine's cards. A lot of them have like stickers and suckers and pencils. We've got some game tablets. That's a 6-pack of game booklets to pass out. You can use in place of cards or in with the card. There's also these secret Valentine invisible pens. You get those in a 2-pack. This robot here actually lights up and extends. They have some tote bags that have the Valentine's Day theme. There's the XOXO, some hearts with the white background, Cupid's Sweetheart Cafe, which is so cute, and then this one here with all the different Valentine's Day sayings. They also have their mini trees out. These are pink, and some of their tinsel signs like Be My Valentine with the double heart. They have the camper sign. It says Love You Always. Some fun plushies that come in a 2-pack. I think these are adorable. So you have bacon and eggs, which is so cute. So here's the egg. And then, of course, you can't be without your hamburger and french fries. These are so cute. And then my favorite is the coffee. And it has the donut. And then one more that they have, it's so cute. It's the peanut butter and jelly. How cute are those? I think those are adorable. They have their tapier candles in pink, red, and white. And they're different designs. Some have the twist, some have stripes. They're beaded DIY heart wreath. You can get it in the all natural beads. There's the solid red or the red, white, and pink. Some more tinsel signs. There's the XOXO and love. They have their foam glitter hearts in red and pink. A bunch of their deco mesh tulle and tubing and all of the Valentine's Day colors. You got your dark red, your pink. There's some ornaments. Also springtime. We've got a bunch of planners. There's some yard stakes with like watering cans, the large flowers on a stake, a bunch of different colors. They have the ladybugs and frogs. There's also the rain boots. There's the watering can with the flowers. And then there are some Mardi Gras items. We have some Mardi Gras signs. There's, of course, the beaded necklaces. Lots of glitter signs like Mardi Gras, y'all. Let the good times roll. And then this Mardi Gras New Orleans street sign. Now for the toys and games. They have a few items left from, of course, Christmas time. Lots of different squishies out. I wish these were more of like the slow rise squishy, but they are just what you would expect for $1.25. They aren't the best, but they're still kind of popular with the younger kids. They have lots of different varieties out as far as the squishies go. Lots of different animals, and then you got your sweet treats, but definitely things like unicorns and there's a tiger and things like that, dinosaurs. Then we've got these 8-packs of the modeling clay that actually has a scent to it, and they're written on the top what different scents they are. These extra large teddy bears in 3 different colors. And now we'll look to see what's new for Dollar Tree Plus this week. There's these large characters for Valentine's Day. They have the gnomes. There's some girls and boys with the extendable legs. They have their braids and their Valentine's Day hearts. These large blocks that have different sayings on them. Also the wood palette signs, which are always my favorite. They have the hearts with like the cable knit sweater, and they're just so cute. There's also the burlap with the metal. There's love and XOXO. They also have some large signs that say things like love you more with the beads at the top. Those are about $5 each. They have love is all you need and the XOXO with the fabric flowers. I love these large picture frames they have out for just $3. They have the sequence between the glass and then the cutout, and it has a saying on the glass in the front. Great buys for just $3. These tabletop signs, which you can flip over, they have different sayings on each side. Those are all metal. I only saw them in the red and white. They also have their shelf critters that you have, the frog and the bears. They have their shelves, or the little trays, I guess you could say, that are heart shaped. It's those layered trays that you can decorate with different things for each holiday. And they have those in pink and in red. Also, there's the printed plush throw blankets. And I love these new wreaths that they have out. So the love is spelled out with a wire. And then you've got your grapevine wreath with the flowers on the outside. So pretty. They have them in red and pink. There's the cheese boards and also these large plastic bins in all red. These are a rose string light for $5. You get, I think, about 6 feet of light, and it has all these little roses on it. You either get the pink or the red. They had the Happy Valentine's Day planter, and I just love these foam hearts that they have already covered with the roses for $5, and they have them in a couple different colors. You can get the red, the pink, or the white roses. They had some Easter items out as well, lots of peeps. They have their floral garland. They have their tinsel wreaths with the Easter eggs on them and lots of different colors. There's the green, there's also yellow. They have the multicolor pastels, and then there's also the pink and the blue that have the gingham print on the tinsel. There were these bunny pom-pom garland, also looks like little bunnies with the ears, and then the ceramic eggs. They had a couple different ones out. There were lots of floral patterns with like the daisies on the outside. There's like the zigzag pattern and lots of different pastel colors. There's the green, the purple, there's yellow and pink. Some of them have the white mix kind of throughout, and those are those large ceramic eggs. There's also the bunny decor for $3. These are aluminum. There's purple, blue, white. They have some peeps as well that are yellow, and they all have a little bow around the neck for just the $3 price point. And they had the printed plush throws and the peep blankets for $5. Also some tablecloths. Those are $3 each. And then there were the silicone oven mitts. You get one for $3. They had all their different spring patterns. There's the green one. It says blessed at the top with the flowers. Also, there's the pink and green with the bunnies and Easter eggs. The all yellow has the peeps and carrots at the top. And that is all for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to check back on Friday to see what else is new this week at your local Dollar Tree. I hope you all are having a lovely week and a happy new year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.